I'm similar to the thriller in Manila. Honeys call me bigger, the condom filler. Whether it's stiff tongue or stiff dick, Biggie squeeze it to make shit fit. Now check this shit, I got the pack of Rough Riders in the back of the Pathfinder. You know the epilogue by James Todd Smith. I get swift with the lyrical gift. Hit you with the dick, make your kidney shift. Here we go, but I'm not domino. I got the funk flow to make your drawers drop slow. So recognize the dick size in these Coincatch jeans. I wear 13s, know what I mean? I fuck around and hit you with the Hennessy dick. Mess around and go blind, don't get to see shit. The next batter, here to shatter your blatter, it doesn't matter. Skinny or fat or light skinned or black, baby, I drop these. Boniqua mommy, screaming, I poppy. I love it when they call me Big Pop, but I only smoke blunts if they roll prop. But look, I got ya caught up with the drunk flow. Fuck taekwondo, I told a fofo. For niggas getting mad cause they bitch chose me. A big black motherfucker with G. You see, all I do is separate the game from the truth. Big bang boots from the Bronx to Bolivia. Getting physical like Olivia Newt. Tricks up my click dick all day with no trivia. So give me a hoe, a bankroll and a bag of weed. I'm guaranteed to fuck her till her nose bleed. Even if the new man's a certified Mac, you get that H-Town in ya. You want that old thing back?
Like B-I-double-T-I-E with some new R-U-L-E. Notorious is known for busting in your E-Y-E. Baby, baby, bitches know they love to hate me. How come you come, we coming back, so maybe how close we came to coming together is crazy. How come you and your sis make similar faces? When y'all coming, y'all be crying like I'm killing y'all bitches. I know there's a bigger picture than the camera rolling. Cause I don't think y'all be knowing how this shit's unfolding. Back shots to the rear, got the Mac unloading. Gotta reload like every so often. Saying I got my swagger back. I'm looking like bitch, my swagger never left. Don't be so hard pressed to be impressed by these new rappers. They actors and the fact is, you want that old thing back.
Like Scarface and Bushwick, Willie D having nightmares of girls killing me. She mad because what we had didn't last. I'm glad because her cousin let me hit the ass. Fuck the past, let's dwell on the 500 SL, the E and J and ginger ale. The way my pockets swell to the rim with Benjamins. Another hundred's in the crib, please send it in. I fuck non-stop, lick my lips a lot. Used to lick the clips a lot, but licking clips have to stop. Cause y'all don't know how to act when the tongue go down below. Peep the funk flow, really go. I got the cleanest, meanest penis. You never seen this, stroke of genius. So take off your Tim boots and your bodysuit. I mean the spandex, and hit my man next. Sex get rougher when they come to the nut buster. Pussy crusher, black nasty motherfucker. I don't chase them, I replace them. And if I'm caressing them, I'm undressing them. Fuck what you heard, who's the best in New York? Fulfilling fantasies without that nigga Mr. Raw. Or tattoo, I got you wrapped around my dick. And when I'm done, I got the split shit.
What's up, everyone? Happy Friday. Nice to see all you guys here. Jang, I can't. It's Jihui Zhang. I think I said that right. I'm doing good. It's nice weather out. Kind of got to enjoy some sun today, so really liking that. What's up, Steven? How you doing? Alt Roman already bought the house. We're hoping for alt season last week. Yeah, we haven't bought the house yet. We haven't bought anything yet. We actually were close to an offer, and someone walked in and like offered 70 grand more than we were gonna pay, and I was like, I'm not countering that. This market's already messed up, man. We'll just sit in cash. That's fine. Takes time. What's up, Jack? How you doing? What's up, Dennis? What's up, Doom? How you guys doing? I'm just going to do a quick analysis, man. I don't got a lot to really share. Not a lot has really changed in the last couple weeks. We've got a lot of sideways movement this week, intra week, but on this weekly candle, let's look at the S&P 500. Guys, I'm still banking on lower. Why? Because we lost a significant level of support. Came down, bounced off of our diagonal. We've seen bounces here a couple different times, so that's a great sign interim, but I still think we go a little bit lower, even if that's down to just 5,200, maybe even 5K. I don't necessarily think the correction's over, and again, a lot of it has to do with this double top confirming. Now getting a nice bounce here, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, but we have such a great bounce off support. Yes, but it'd be different if we recovered this other horizontal support. And why the big bounce? Well, guys, we've spent the last 4 weeks moving down. You're going to buy in Texas or Cali, you might want to wait until next year. I'm not looking to buy in Texas or Cali. Both those housing markets are absolutely overpriced, in my opinion. I know those are both beautiful states, but not interested in paying $1 million for a shoebox. But yeah, nice little bounce. Interesting area to bounce. But guys, I'm still, until we at least close a weekly back above this point, I'm not saying that we're ready to go up yet. And a lot of that, again, has to do with I'm actually not going to focus too much on the dollar right now. I want to go back to Bitcoin. A lot of people are getting bullish on Bitcoin again, and there's not really an issue with that, right? But I'm seeing a lot of comparison to like this range, which ultimately all of these weekly closes closed within support. Yes, it got ugly on this candle, but ending up closing back above support, looking much better. This is a full-blown breakdown, and this is just consolidation because we dropped over $20,000. Like, you kind of have to look at it in a way that's, okay, why are we bouncing, right? There's always a reason for something. Things don't just go up or down in a straight line. So why are we bouncing? We're bouncing because we dropped, 20%. This week's nice little bounce. We had some daily bullish divergences here, right? Nice little bullish divergences, but again, guys, this is more or less a breakdown, retest, continuation, moving sideways, likely to at least go to the 70K area. I can't imagine that we don't. And I still believe that we'll hit possibly 68. Hold on one second. My brother's calling me. But yeah, anyways, I still don't believe that we'll go higher. Look, if we do, and we get back above, we retest, okay, now we can talk about a continuation of the bull run, similar to where if we go to the SPX, we regain this area and move higher. Okay, now I'm a little bit more sold on a little bit more continuation. But part of my problem is no matter what's happening, Bitcoin dominance is still pushing higher. And I'll be honest with you, this weekly looks more like a range to move higher rather than a breakdown to similar that we've seen in the past. I think those bearish divergences on Bitcoin's weekly already played out, and I've discussed that several times. So if you're new here, yes, we did get bearish divergences between these 2 points. However, we'd moved down, and now we're coming back up. Generally, the sign of consolidation means that we're going to continue that uptrend. Even if there are divs don't have to play out in a massive move down. They can play out in a small move down or small choppy move down, which seems to be the case here. And a lot of backing up from that is you look at Ethereum to Bitcoin and some of these other alt to Bitcoin charts, and they just look relatively weak, guys. It doesn't look strong at all. I mean, I'll be completely honest with you. We had a little bit of hope 3 or 4 weeks ago before Bitcoin lost to that 90K support. But unfortunately, Ethereum could not climb above, and it's just completely lost another support level down here. 68, yeah, the reason why I say 68, and this is going to sound crazy, you go to the daily and we go like way back here, I'm kind of expecting this. Like we had a thick move down, sideways, sideways, and then this large move down, sideways, sideways, little retrace, and then further down. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be like a full-blown bear market. It could. We could be near the end. I've been saying that for the last couple months, but I think we're getting something similar. Big move down, retest, sideways here, big move down, probably a wick to like 68 just to make people think that, you know, we're breaking below the support. Probably liquidate people that long this level right off the bat, and then it bounces, recovers, and then might head a little bit lower, might bounce to 88. I would put better odds on maybe bouncing like 84 to 88 before maybe coming back down to 70. So give you my full plan, and I'll remove this for now. My full plan is, look, likely going to come down here, maybe wick right to that, not 62. Sorry, I don't want to be over dramatic. Wick to like 68, reclaim, maybe come back to 84, maybe come back to 88 or 90, and just kind of range here for a little bit until the stock market decides what it wants to do. You think we go to 78 or lower? Personally, I'm not really looking to short the middle of the range, just because there's not a lot of reference point between these 2 points. And this is a daily chart, right? We just straight mooned up. We've straight kind of dropped in a way. I mean, something's trying to form, but this is the confusing part. Is you got this, you have this news-based pump and then dump immediately after. It looks bad, agreed. I mean, yeah, you look at the weekly, it looks ugly. It does not look good. This weekly is way different than this weekly, guys. Now, look, say that now, put in 2 weekly candles, recover, okay, now we can start talking, but at the moment, the weekly looks ugly. You also have a lot of sell volume on those last 2 candles. Plus, alts look like absolute crap. Anytime, Steve. I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. Glad all you guys enjoyed the stream. There's a bunch of you here. I appreciate it. It's Friday. I know a lot of people got stuff going on. People going out, getting drinks, getting food. It's it's Friday. Not expecting a lot of people here, but let's look at Ethereum, and then I'll probably call it a day, guys. I've had a long day. I've been outside with the dogs and enjoying the sun. Got to get ready to go to dinner soon. But Ethereum, guys, again, I'm putting it out there that I don't believe we're going to get an alt season anytime soon. Ethereum and relative altcoin charts look relatively weak. Ethereum has lost horizontal support, lost uptrend kind of support as well, macro uptrend support, and it looks like a crater all the way down to 1,500. Now, if we can hold 1,500 range for a little while, then okay, now we can talk. But for now, Ethereum to Bitcoin and Ethereum look insanely weak. I would not be touching altcoins at this very moment. It's just not really worth it. Because like you look at Solana too. Okay, Solana bounced from support, but look at Solana to Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, you're in a little bit of confluence here, but we lost our major trend here. Not to mention, most things aren't exactly looking pretty, even with the S&P 500. Yes, we bounced off diagonal, but I'm still curious. Excuse me. And I almost want to see where our 200 weekly is. Okay, I don't know why this changed, but we're going to change it. 200. Why is this not? Yeah, I'll have to adjust it later. I guess that makes sense. 200. Oh, it's an EMA. Yeah, I got to figure that out. I'm still dollar cost averaging. A lot of alts are at cycle lows. My only problem with that is I honestly believe that the altcoin bubble is popping. I think that there's way too many projects. I mean, look, at the end of the day, if you're in Bitcoin, right? If you bought Bitcoin anywhere in this area, you have nothing to worry about, right? I mean, yeah, I guess you could argue like Ethereum also looks like shit, but my thing is, how did Bitcoin have an entire bull run and nothing ran with it, but maybe some AI coins like Tau ran with it and Fetch kind of ran with it. Solana kind of ran a little bit, right? Solana from 17 all the way to, $250 ran with it. Nothing else did anything. And that's, to me, that's a sign that we're really looking at a risk-off scenario. I'm not really, it's not that I'm not interested in alts. You just got to think big picture a little bit. Like, are we looking at something kind of like the .com bubble where we finally see a lot of these alt projects that are legitimate scams just go away? I mean, look how many scams there were in the last couple months, guys. It was egregious. And I think people have been kind of swept under the rug, definitely rug pulled by, notable celebrities and people they respect. And, I don't think that people have the tangible money to spend anymore. So alt season, I mean, you need, not only do you need someone to sell to, but you need new money coming in. And investors with capital are not going to come into altcoins knowing that a lot of them are scams. Just my opinion. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes. I do apologize for the quick stream. I just wanted to come and say hi, let you guys know I'm still here. Nice weather out, so I've been enjoying it. With all that said, guys, hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And always remember, be patient, users management, and good luck trading.